ocean deep and wide. O is for orange, juicy and round. O is for octopus, swimming around. Oh, 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 let's sing and play, learning the letter O today. O is for ostrich, running fast. O is for olive, in a jar cast. O is for oven, baking a treat. O is for orchard, with fruits to eat.